Do you know that in this 2024 you can create a dollar account in Nigeria with just your smartphone? As far as you have a smartphone, you have a strong internet connection, you can stay at the comfort of your home and create a dollar account from any country just with your smartphone. Hi there, welcome back to accountfintech digital channel, which I'm going to walk you through various steps by steps in which you can create your dollar account with no stress. I know that a lot of Nigerians do not only have the issue of creating this account, but the main problem they are having is by funding the account with their naira method. Okay, so that's why I've made this video in order to show you how you can create it if you have not known how to create it, and how you can also fund this your account with no stress. Okay, so if this is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, please do well to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a video like this, you are the first person to watch. And to my old and returning subscribers, I love you all. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video. At the end of this video, you know how to create your own dollar account with no stress, and you also know how to fund it with your naira account. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's head over the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you that in just a few minutes. Okay, first of all, you need to grab your device. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of my phone. So after that, you just need to go ahead to your Play Store and download the app. The first process is by creating the account. So the second method is I'll show you how you can link up this account to your naira account. So after downloading the app, you just go ahead and click on open. So if you have not signed up in the app before, you see this option, create account, login. So if you have not signed up before, you click on create account. So when you click on create account, you'll be asked to fill in these following details. You'll be asked to put your first name, you go ahead and do that. Your last name, you go ahead and do that. Your country, of course I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so you go ahead and put your email address, you go ahead and put your phone number. Okay, you go ahead and set up your password, and the password you are going to use is going to be a combination of capital letters, small letters, numbers and symbols. You go ahead and do that. So if you need a referral code, I'm going to link up my referral code in the description box so that you can check it out and click on that code to sign up. Okay, you now tick all of this, keep me in the loop. You tick all of this and you are just going to go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so when you click continue, they will be asked to verify your email address because a code has been sent to your email. Okay, you need to be very fast about it because as you are doing, the stuff is counting down. Okay, so I'll just head over to my Gmail app and verify it immediately. As you can see, my email has been verified successfully. Okay, I'll just click on go to login and make sure you put in the correct details like your phone number, your email address and all of those stuff like that. So I'll be asked to log in. So make sure you put in your correct details like your password and the email address you use, and I'll just click on login. So you can see here login successfully. I'll be asked to save my password. After that, you'll be asked to set up a 4-digit pin. So I'll just go ahead and click any pin of my choice. I'm just going to go ahead and click on submit. Okay, so transaction pin has been created, so I'll just go ahead and click on continue. So when I click on continue, you can see this particular interface. You'll be asked to verify your identity in order to complete your KYC. Okay, so for you to do that, you can go ahead and click here to verify your identity, and these are the stuff that they will need. They will need your legal name, they will need your, or you need to upload your ID card, and you also need to take a picture of you. Okay, so just go ahead and click on get started. So you'll be asked to put your name again. Okay, your legal name, you put it, you put in your middle name, you put in your last name. You'll be asked your ID type, which is your BVN, you go ahead and click that. So you'll be asked to input your BVN number. So after that, you'll be asked your how much you expect to be receiving every month, your source of fund, if it's Fiverr or Upwork or is it PayPal. You go ahead and click that. So you'll be asked to enter your freelancer URL. After that, you now click on save and continue. So after verifying everything, so it will now take you to this particular interface. Okay, after you might have verified with your national ID card or your passport or your or taking a selfie and doing all of those stuff, it will now take you to this particular aspect. Don't your Naira account. So you just, this is your dashboard. So when you click on this account down there, you just allow it to load. You are going to see something like transfer. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on this transfer, and when you do that, you see, if you have not sent money to anyone before, you are going to see, you can see this place to ban. Okay, you can see the Nigerian logo is here already. So you just go ahead and choose the person you want to send this number to. Okay, you click Nigeria, then from there you can now select the bank. Okay, so let me just choose one of my bank for the purpose of this tutorial. Let's assume I want to send money to one of my other bank. So we have OPay here. Okay, let me just choose OPay, then go ahead and put in the account number. All of this stuff like that, it will automatically bring out the person name that you want to send the money to. Okay, so you can just go ahead and click on add. So when you click on that, if I want to send money, maybe I want to send to my other account, I'm just going to go ahead and click on transfer. And when I click on transfer, I will be asked to like add the recipient. So I will now say, okay, how much do I want to send? Let's say $2. You can see sufficient fund there. Okay, assuming I have money now go ahead and click on $2, and that is 3,017. So you go ahead and add your description, and from there you just go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share. Then if you also have any question, you can also drop that in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorial like this. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.